Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. So ngifuna ukureacta to iSoccer Beat noma uTshepo Masilela mengimuzwe ekhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs. Ngabo coach babo uthi akekho convinced ngabo coach, kusho ukuthi akekho sure ngabo coach beKaizer Chiefs uCedric noBen. Uthi mebheka nje experience yabo lapha akekho sure ukuthi bangakwazi ukuhandlela i-team efana neKaizer Chiefs because iKaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu. Uthi akacabanga ukuthi labo coach boba-2 banayo iprofile ukuthi bacoache iKaizer Chiefs. Well, i-statement sakhe le line leli lokuqala ngiyavumelana nalo bafowethu ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu and then idinga abantu ngempela aba-well equipped. Idinga ucoach o-professional ngempela ozokwazi ukuyithatha iKaizer Chiefs ayibeke ezingeni eliphezulu. I mean, I was surprised to see, I think abantu abaningi including myself included, I was surprised ukubabona abanika i-permanent post ukuthi baqede isizini ngabo. Why ngisho kanjani? Ngisho ukuthi abadeserve bafowethu. Obviously they've been there since iKaizer Chiefs iqala i-project yabo, nanokuthi bafuna ukuba successful this season. Kwasha kwacima, they are back on the African continent or ku-continental level, right? So, but the big thing ukuthi i-authority abanayo. Mangithi i-authority abanayo, ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bathi uNtwari u-right ngokuthi angaphumi. Awumphikisi ucoach one-authority. Coach nabi bekhipha boModi. I remember, if siyakhumbula bafethu, first half benza amaphutha nje amancane akureplace first half. That's the authority. Badinga i-coach oyi-leader ngempela bazokwazi ukumlalela. Imagine-ke if mina ngidlalela iKaizer Chiefs ngiyi-midfield bafuna ukungireplace, sengike ngabona omunye umuntu wasethimini yami athi akafuna ukureplacewa yena and bayiyeka kanjalo, azange aforced ukuthi aphume lapha negrawundini. So authority number 1 abanayo ukuthi balide iKaizer Chiefs. So I wonder i-success yabo izoba based on ini, nanokuthi ama-players azokwazi ukubahlonipha na. But i-record liyasho liyama bakhuluma ngabe i-record lihle, i-record labo la kuKaizer Chiefs alifani la coach nami, because they've only lost a game against iSikhukhune United and then nama-draws amanye, and then first few games of the season la coach nabe ngekho bakwazi ukuwawina lawo ma-match kula iKaizer Chiefs beyenza kahle kakhulu. Can they take that thing ukuthi baqale kahle isizini bahambe nayo? Cause abanye abantu bangathi okay, babangekho sure ukuthi bazocoach iKaizer Chiefs, bebacabanga ukuthi mhlampe kuzoza omunye ucoach bebatesta ngabo, manje sebasure sebangakwazi uku-implementa ama-ideas wabo. uTshepo Masilela, he went on to explain ukuthi yena ubanika until December ukubona ukuthi okay, ngo-December bazobe bekuphi, bazobe seba-achieveni lesi in terms of amagame nezinye izinto, because of bazoba nesikhathi esi-enough. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-AFCON yeza ngo-December, kusho ukuthi bazoba nesikhathi esi-enough bafowethu, as-well enough ukuthi bangakwazi uku-establish i-team yabo, babone ukuthi i-team yabo ikanjani. I mean, maybe bengenza kahle laphana kuKaizer Chiefs bafowethu, obviously ama-profile yabo azokhula kakhulu, leyo opportunity enkulu for bona. I think we can say element of luck iyasiza bafowethu. Imagine we-assistant coach khamba xoshwa i-head coach oze nayo wena, kusho ukuthi bo-under yona, uye lo muntu lo nilethile. Phela labantu laba abalethwe ucoach nabo banenhlanhla kakhulu bafethu ukuthi bacoache i-team engange-Kaizer Chiefs, let's be honest. And then Tshepo Masilela, he went on to say i-consistency level ye-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho convincing enough, kusho ukuthi baleka izinto ey'ningi, kumele nje ba-improve ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Then mebuzwa like nge-top 3 ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ingaphusha for i-top 3, nalapho uyasho ukuthi akekho sure, but-ke uzobajaja after some games overall laphana ukuthi, cause iKaizer Chiefs ulona uPeter yena mekhuluma uyasho ukuthi elikini isquad sabo like bane-squad enough, banama-player amaningi kakhulu bafethu angakwazi ukucompete. There's no reason because babanikile ama-player enough ukuthi bakwazi ukucompete laphana. Ngikhumbula uJessica Mtaung ngathi i-coach bayinikile i-coach ama-resources, so kumele ikwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wayo i-coach laphana i-deliver. I think enye into engifuna ukuyi-mention bafethu ukuthi I saw this online kakhulu, but I thought about it mangiyibona ukuthi khona umuntu othe ibhola lase-South Africa lizoba mnandi i-PSL because manje ama-player afuna ukuya ku-World Cup. Imagine uma uphefoma kahle ku-PSL, ulona ucoach Hugo Broos akana-excuse ukuthi angakukhethi. Possibly kungaba khona amanye ama-new stars, let's say play of the season yaku-PSL ezoba khona this season ingaya ku-World Cup easy like that, yabo. Thola ukuthi akakabi khona i-play of the season umuntu ozoba i-player of the season thola ukuthi asikakamboni but kuzovela lesi ngaboma-January, February lapho bam-select-e for i-World Cup. So ama-player amaningi azomisela kakhulu and then it brought me to ngivele ngacabanga ngoMduduzi Shabalala ukuthi kumele athathe igame yakhe to the highest level ever, to the highest level, to the peak of igame yakhe la angakaze afike khona, but this time around kumele akwazi ukukhuphula igame yakhe kakhulu. Why? Because ziningi izinto at stake. NgoDisemba kuze i-AFCON, so kumele aphushe for i-AFCON, isquad se-AFCON ukuthi akwazi ukudlala kancane. Noma angadlala full time vele laphana ku-AFCON approve uHugo Broos, because Hugo Broos already uyi-impress ngoMduduzi Shabalala kwamanye ama-department, but-ke kuzoya ngaye ukuthi melokhu eqhubeka yena uzokwazi ukuperforma to the highest level naku Kaizer Chiefs adelive laphana, and then ucoach ngeke a-hesitate ukuthi am-select ukuthi nje aqhubeke adlale kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs. In fact kumele aphushe igame yakhe njengoba bengishilo ukuthi to the highest level bazokwazi ukumselect laphana ku-national team akwazi ukurepresent i-Kaizer Chiefs. Nomunye uThabiso Munyane esho right back but esho kunzima kakhulu-ke because siyazi ukuthi ucoach nabo unamasoja wakhe awathembayo. Khuliso Mndawo by far the best right back in the country, and then badlalisa baselekte ubani uMdunyelwa naye bamselektile Mobi noma ubani igama lakhe lokho usuwelele nawe ukhona. So be interesting to see ukuthi kahle kahle obani abazoya ku-AFCON because ama-player amaningi kumele alwe serious. Iphupho lama-player amaningi ukudlala bafethu i-FIFA World Cup, le opportunity of a lifetime. That is why kubhethwe i-Premiership, o-Nedbank Cup, wonke ama-competitions akhona e-South Africa, ama-player kumele emisele serious ukuthi abe ne-opportunity ukuthi ahambe aye laphana. The big one i-FIFA World Cup, but-ke kumele ube ku-AFCON number one ukuze bakucabange mabacabanga nge-World Cup overall laphana. So yeah man, njengoba ama-individual players they have to fight, but-ke the player ku-Kaizer Chiefs abantu abaningi bayasho nami nginokukhuluma ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi kumele manje bamnike more game time. They have to believe more kuma-youngsters ane-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Tshepo-ke mayiqhubeka laphana uthe ama-coach kumele amake sure into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ama-youngsters or amanye ama-player ayajela kahle, kusho ukuthi akwazi ukudlala kahle namanye ama-players, and then abo-coaches babe ne-system yabo ezokwazi ukubasebenzela, and then babe ne-identity yabo. Ngoba uthi ukhala ngokuthi i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs asiyazi ukuthi badlala liphi ibhola, ukuthi badlala all out in terms of baya-attack, ukuthi this game badlala leli, next game badlala leli, so abakayitholi i-identity yabo. Kumele babe ne-identity yabo, kubonakala ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala liphi ibhola overall. So njengoba bengishilo ukuthi lama-coaches lawa in terms of ama-player bafethu i-depth, there's nothing to complain about. Nabo bashilo vele laphana. They have to deliver at least laphana bafinishe ku-number 4. Well, i-league maybe there's too far-fetched for bona because last season bafinishe as u-number 9, but-ke ukwenza kangconywana kumele bafinishe at least ku-top 4 because mawubheka ama-team afana nabo Sikhukhune well equipped ukuthi anga-compete. iSikhukhune United, uStellenbosch bengicabanga ukuthi sizo-compete this season, unfortunately esho izinto azihambi kahle. That's the beauty of i-football ngoba i-unpredictable. Ungathi wena ucabanga lokhu but kungenzeki overall lokho. So Kaizer Chiefs-ke they have to really try. I mean mabangababeka ku-top 8 at least ku-top 5, top 4 at least-ke lapho, because ba-investile in terms of baletha ama-player angaka, basayina ama-player u-11 overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ulokhu njana uTshepo-ke Masilela beqhubeka laphana ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi iKaizer Chiefs kumele ithole ama-convincing results bafethu overall. Cabanga ama-convincing results ukuthi bayadlala ama-match but-ke ama-win wabo awekho convincing that much. I think it all trickles down to the fact that they are creating opportunities but they're not able to bury those opportunities. So i-confidence emaplayeni masibheka ukuwuthemba emaplayeni, ngeke uthembe ningawatholi ama-results. Kumele nithole ama-results nikwazi ukuwuthemba, and then-ke kufana ne-striker kumele ushaye amagoli ukuthi ubuild i-confidence yakho. Ngeke ube i-striker ngenze example elidlala ngazi uDupreez udlale kangaki this season, but influence yakhe as a-striker yini into esimkhumbula ngayo this season? Ayikho mina engimkhumbula ngayo, ngithi yabona le uyenzile this season, but bamnikile lawo ma-opportunities lawo ukuthi adlale ukuthi akwazi maybe uziprove. Well, angazi ukuthi uziprove-ani in fact ku-Kaizer Chiefs because ayikho into akumele aziprove yona, kumele nje adlale nje kuphela because sekanesikhathi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele akwazi ukudiliva. Ngimbonile ku-conference ekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi yena ucabanga ukuthi as an individual naye kumele alungise ku-finishing yakhe ukuthi akwazi ukushaya ama-goal for i-team. akakakwenzi-ke lokho but sobona and-ke mabamnika i-renewal wathi ufuna ukushaya 20 goals laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yinto uthi bekafuna uku-reward-a i-Kaizer Chiefs noma ukubonga i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokuthi imnike i-new contract ashaye 20 goals angazi in 2 years or so. But-ke ngeke kwenzeke lokho as izinto zihamba kanje ngo-Du Preez. Pace yakhe unayo but ku-Kaizer Chiefs akayisebenzisi kahle nange-timing cause kunama-moments la he has to take players on but i-balance ayikho ebholeni lakhe mangimbheka mina. So ama-qualities wakhe questionable at times cause akusiwo uDu Preez lo engangimbona ku-Stellenbosch ayi-fighter ayi-warrior. Yiyo lento le enginokusho ukuthi mabafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs abantu baya-relax babona ngathi hhayi sebafikile ngempela. Bathinte nakancane indaba kaPitso Mosimane ukuthi maybe next season bazolanda uPitso Mosimane because uPitso Mosimane u-available, uyi-high profile coach engakwazi ukutshintsha izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. To be fair angazishintsha bafethu cause number one uzoletha i-structure ese-right, isaziwayo i-identity e-right and then uzoba ne-authority. Alikho iplayer ezophikisana noPitso Mosimane. Pitso Mosimane i-boss. They need like u-coach o-serious bafethu but sithemba ukuthi lobo coach laba njengoba sebabanikile vele isikhundla sokuthi yes bazo-coach-a ngabo this season nabo bazoba inspired bakwazi ukuphusha aggressively-ke manje babe ne-style sabo abaphusha ngaso and then bakwazi uku-inspire ama-player ukuthi athole ama-results overall. So one thing obviously abo-Peter abayibhekayo bafethu izinto ey'nkulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs isemuva in terms of ama-stats ukuthi ba-create ama-big chances. Last time uPeter uthe last time this season beba-create ama-opportunities ama-big chances awu-23, this time ba-create awu-6 kuphela. Okuchaza ukuthi yes they are creating opportunities, they are wasteful sibabonile this season but they've only created like 6. Last season this time they created 23 big chances. So okuchaza ukuthini? Kuchaza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs last season under ucoach Nabi ayifani at all na compared to neya this season. Amanye ama-player amaningi ama-player kumele improve. Funny enough le play engihlezi ngikhuluma ngalo abantu babona engathi ngiyala-attack-a nabo balimentionile uLilepo ukuthi uLilepo already this season bafethu sekashuthe kayi-40 epalini 40 times. Cabanga 40 times eshaya epalini. Sibonile ukuthi kwenzakalani isikhathi esiningi ukuthi uLilepo ushaya unreasonable uvela ashaye nje once kwavela isikhali uyashaya and kumele you have to be smart about izinto ungacabangeli wena uyi-one dlalela i-team yonke ungaveli ushaye ngoba isikhathi esiningi ushaya umbhedo uLilepo sikhulumeni iqiniso. Yena uyi-player engibona ukuthi lingaba important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngike ngasho kwenye i-previous clip but ukushaya kwakhe 40 times kuma-match angaka I mean still fresh but sekashaye kayi-40 but it speaks to ihanga yakho ukuthi uyafuna ngoba sikhumbule ukuthi last season washaya igoli elihle but-ke I mean how many times lamabhola kaLilepo angena la washaye kude alikho nelilodwa elingenile this season kude. So into ekumele minimize angaveli ashaye nje for isake of shaya abheke kahle and then akwazi ukuba i-team player afocus more on ama-assist than ukuvela ashaye epalini because leyo nto leyo waste amabhola we-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi kakhulu bafethu amabhola potentially bewazokwazi ukuthi abe yi-danger. So into enye obviously emenshiniwe enkulu laphana kuleya show ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithatha i-risk enkulu kakhulu ngabo-coaches laba bawu-2 but umbuzo uthi bazokwazi i-risk yakhona izoba rewarded or kuzoba nje bazosola ngaleyo risk leyo because i-team ifana ne-Kaizer Chiefs idinga ucoach. Coaches isikhathi esiningi abasebenzi but at the same time so banika i-benefits of the doubt phela we can't just crucify them or ngithi kill them. They have to get their chance ukuthi bakwazi ukucoacha sibabone ngempela ukuthi bazobamba kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because they have the biggest job in the country. Then the biggest question would be will they be able to deliver now? That's the question esizolinda sibone ukuthi izohamba kanjani overall nanokuthi bazozama ukufoma i-respect ne-foundation e-right for i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ama-player ba-instile i-winning mentality but-ke bayawazi ama-player sobona ukuthi ama-player ukuthi azo-react-a kanjani kulabo coach laba abasha overall. Bantu abaningi basakhuluma I think nabantu abanye okay uThuso Ophalala bekakhuluma ngoSaleng I think ngimentionile kwenye i-clip nami ngirekhode into ey'ningi ezinye ngiyazikhohlwa. Ngicela ukuyibamba la okwamanje bafethu. Angazi ukuthi nicabanga nini bafethu, ngicabanga ukuthi labo coach laba bazoba i-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma kanjani, nibabona kanjani? Danko.